Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI GE66 Raider. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Today, we're addressing a common issue that many users face: some keys on the MSI GE66 Raider don't respond. This can happen due to various reasons, such as dirt accumulation, wear and tear, or even a faulty connection. If not repaired in time, it could lead to further damage or even the need for a complete keyboard replacement. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. Additionally, having a clean workspace will help keep things organized. First, we need to safely open the MSI GE66 Raider. Start by turning off the device and unplugging it. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the bottom of the laptop. Carefully place them in a small container to avoid losing any. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be cautious around the edges to avoid damaging any clips. With the back cover removed, we can now locate the keyboard connector. This is usually found near the top of the device, connected to the motherboard. Gently disconnect the keyboard cable using your tweezers, being careful not to tug too hard on the cable. Once disconnected, you can remove the keyboard from the device by unscrewing any additional screws holding it in place. Remember to apply a moderate amount of force, as over-tightening can strip the screws. After removing the keyboard, inspect it for any visible damage or debris. If you see any dirt, clean it gently with a soft brush. If you're replacing the keyboard, align the new one with the screw holes and reattach it, ensuring the connector is properly secured. Reconnect the keyboard cable to the motherboard, making sure it clicks into place. Before closing up, it's a good idea to test the keyboard by connecting the device temporarily. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. If everything works fine, place the back cover back on, ensuring all clips are secured. Replace and tighten all screws to complete the process. To prevent this issue from happening again, ensure you regularly clean your keyboard and avoid eating or drinking near your laptop. This will help keep your keys functioning properly and extend the life of your device. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.